The swappable connector solutions offered in 2 power and 8 signal configurations. These connectors can carry a continuous current of 50A with 5,000 mating cycles and IP67 rated in mated and unmated conditions. Equipped with a quick lock mechanism featuring blind mate design, these connectors ensure accurate and secure connections every time. Their versatile 180-degree mating design makes installation seamless and efficient. Assemble the swapping connector quickly and easily in just a few steps. First, select unshielded cables that meet the required specifications. Next, cut the wire to the desired length. Then, strip the cable jacket to the specified size. After that, insert the cable conductor into the terminal crimping barrel and securely rivet it. Then, assemble the connectors carefully to ensure proper installation. Once assembled, perform an electrical test to verify functionality. Finally, tighten the connections according to the recommended torque to ensure durability and safety. This completes the cable terminal assembly process.